How to enable or disable reduce transparency to improve contrast on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, tap on Display and Text Size. Then we go down and tap on Reduce Transparency. Tap on the Reduce Transparency toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. And here it said, improve contrast by reducing transparency and blurs on some backgrounds to increase legibility. And finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.